Greetings everyone. So थोड़ा सा मोबाइल छोड़ के थोड़ा सा हम बातें कर लें. Are you all ready? So first of all, thank you note for the GSTN, for GSTAT Tribunal, for the President sir and the entire team for making me part of this elite program and an opportunity to meet all of you in presence of the dignitary sitting on the dais and off the dais. So straightforward, because I have 10 minutes to go. Sir, President sir, first of all, I would like to address the most powerful thing which I got from you today is the Josh. So when he was speaking, I could see that zeal of going ahead and doing it. And this is what we all need. And you know, I come across a document of the meeting which happened and which was released on 10th of June. Sir, it shows GSTAT listens. Somewhere, because those points which we have been making, sir, मेरी तो थोड़ी PPT भी खराब हो गई क्योंकि जो anomalies लिखी थी in the proposed 10th June meeting, many anomalies have been covered and been asked to be removed. Like, I will be starting from where sir has left. First of all, I think so GSTAT deserves a huge round of applause because being the first online tribunal from scratch till end. Can we have a clap, please? That's right. And it's hosted on sovereign ICT infrastructure of Government of India. So coming to the pointers issue, the madam posted me certain questions, starting with the first one. As what my co-panelist Bimalji has mentioned, yes, the logistic cost, the bots are a stationary cost coming from the another zip code. All those are the benefits which flow from the e-filing. Despite that, I think so, जो हमसे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है मेरे केस का क्या स्टेटस है, what is the status of my case? So now just put an ARN, just put an ARN and everything is right on your tip from the beginning till end. And as sir rightly mentioned, even एक PH, सर अभी भी फर्स्ट एपेलेट लेवल पर भी या एजुकेशन लेवल पे भी हमें इश्यूज आ रहे हैं. कोई डॉक्यूमेंट ऑफलाइन आता है, कोई डॉक्यूमेंट ऑनलाइन आता है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी वेलकम मूव वेयर यू हैव मेंशन्ड दैट फ्रॉम बिगिनिंग टिल एंड इवन अ लेटर विल बी इशूड ऑन द ऑनलाइन मोड. Right now, coming towards the next is, yes, discipline through what we say design. A portal gives us a criteria, beginning से end तक क्या करना है. Me doing that, also doing the same, sir doing that, will also doing the same. So it gives you a standard format which is possible in e-filing, and I think so those who have practiced excise earlier must be understanding the difficulties in GST is much less, only the base is broadened. So that is why we feel the difficulties all more. So now, ma'am, coming towards the points that you mentioned, what portal changes we want. Of course, the size, which you have already mentioned, not to slice your document into smaller parts, but yes, we can now upload 50 MB documents. But along with that, sir, filing you made online, hearings you made in hybrid mode, most welcome, but we also want that the member should be given a proper screen backups there for hearing. When the council says, sir, please check, or ma'am, please check the page number, my lords, please come to page number so and so. So what we call is OCR, optical character recognition. You just do the control F, you can go to that page. So smart screens, many tribunals, I have attended 1 or 2 tribunals, hearings where the screens are there, the documents are displayed on the screen, arbitral tribunals. So directly the members can also resort to the same. So OCR and what we call auto-indexing, when you say go to this page number, you can touch and let the hearing be also high-tech. जब हम सब AI सीख रहे हैं and GST is taking us towards that, see, there is no harm according to me going for the AIs. We all must learn, but make it your servant, not your boss. This is what I feel like. And further, pull through GSTN, Bimal Jain sir has also mentioned, we want certain linkage. Even while demonstrating today, madam mentioned about registration date. Sir, मेरे client का registration date अगर तो company है, I must be having. If it is a proprietorship concern, उसको बोलते मुझे नहीं पता जी. तो अल्टीमेटली मुझे 2017 ही डालनी पड़ती है क्योंकि जन्म उन सब टैक्स पेयर का 2017 में ही हुआ है. So these are certain, if these informations are being fetched from the portal, that will become a little easier. And sir, as to the cost also, I personally felt one experience, I shared it with Mishra sir also, with madam also. Sir, my client had only 7,50,000 refund, directly covered by the circular. Still, the benefit not given. I'm not commenting upon that as from this forum, but it had 10 OIOs. And I had to file 10 appeals with a single OIA. The appellate authority combined those 10 and made one OIA, but the rule 18, sub-rule 2 says you have to file the multiple appeals for multiple OIOs. Now imagine the cost, sir. I first of all called the party and said for a 7.50 lakh refund, which you may or may not be getting. But you have to give me a check of 50,000, not my professional fee, sir, but the court fee. 5,000 minimum court fee for every application, sir. So that way, that is the cost which is embedded other than, abhi to adjournment ka bhi hai, but I have read 10th June document that the adjournment and all will be kept out of the preview of the court fee, and which was actually the need of the hour. Madam posted a question as to rule 45, additional evidence. Let me touch upon that. And ma'am, the answer unequivocally is affirmative. Sir, in GST, many of us must have witnessed, I see all the tax professionals sitting here, many ex-parte orders are there. The people that could not get to know that orders have been passed. And in that situation, they could not furnish any document. And we want GSTAT to be a run-through rather than a bottleneck, sir. So we want the members concerned to kindly consider the additional evidences with a little leniency in order to provide justice to the taxpayer rather than creating a bottleneck for the taxpayer in that aspect, to align Rule 45 and 112 and to make it a little more viable for the initial years, of course keeping it under the law, but with a little more leniency. Now coming towards the next question which ma'am asked, hope I do not forget any. Yes, beta phase testing. And sir, I must appreciate whenever I have called NIC or the helpline portal, they were able to understand my query. I think so, making the right person sit at the helpline desk sorts your purpose. So my humble request, whenever you recruit any person, this 18-2 issue, which are also highlighted, I did it for my appeals. I filed 10 refund appeals. I explained the issue to them that 18-2 is saying to file me multiple appeals, your portal is not allowing that. They actually said to me, we will not close your query, we will address it, keep it open. Because it is something which is going against the rule. So there are many other glitches. When you see 29 checklist, sir, यहाँ पे तो बहुत जल्दी file हो गई थी, but actually it takes lots of toll on you. Am I right? Let me be a little true to that. So when you read those pointers, my staff comes to me and says, ये क्या है? And sir, yes, place of supply, a very massive issue. Sir ने बहुत point out किया कि bench कौन सा. I am also very particular when we select the benches. A detailed list as per area has been given by, already published by GSTAT. But sir, place of supply issues, we as the councils, as the persons who are filing, need to understand that all disputes where IGST and CGST is disputed is even not place of supply. In some clerical issues, sir, department instead of raising the demand in C or S has raised the demand in IGST. You will not call it a place of supply issue. Those are clerical issues which should not go to the principal bench. And of course, many people on various forums ask me, question of law, पे अगर एक tribunal bench कोई और decision दे और दूसरा कोई और decision दे, तो my dear friends, to bring to your notice that the question of facts which are multiple across different benches will be taken by the principal bench. The amendment is already there and the point has been well taken by GSTAT. Right, so coming towards the last pointer, what about the portal? Portal needs certain changes and we know we will be heard, and the 10th June document is a very vital document. I want to say one thing. We want to litigate the appeal. We do not want to litigate the portal. So we do not want long hours of sitting, so stretching. When I first had the privilege of meeting the president, sir, he said me, we have kept, if I'm right, sir, we have kept the limits for the portal. 8,000, increasing to 10, increasing to 12 users logging at one time. So what we need is the stretchability. We do not want to see that something went wrong, because it takes away your day. Sir, we want positive litigation. We want good points of law and facts to be determined by the tribunal rather than coming on the technical glitches, sir. And of course, sir, एक column मुझे आज भी समझ नहीं आया. I wanted to ask madam, so I will convey to Jain madam for that. वो मुझे आज भी column समझ नहीं आता as per stand of appellant before tribunal and as claimed by the present appeal. तो मैं दोनों में same ही डाल देती हूँ. So there are certain few issues, and with this I just give my Vani a viram and a few more doubts as to time period and all, but let me share my experience. मैंने अभी तक किसी अपील में, I have filed 12 appeals, और मैंने अभी तक 12 में से किसी अपील में भी leniency benefit नहीं लिया है. So I have filed all my appeals thoroughly signed with a stacked paper book, properly indexed, and I enjoyed filing it. और वैसे भी जब जोश था ना, पहली करनी है और अच्छे से करनी है, और it set a precedent for my office also. So I do not want defects to be raised on my appeal. This is my perspective, which I shared with you all, and thank you so much for the patient listening.